How's it going, everyone? The one stock that everyone's watching for earnings is definitely Tesla. This thing is going to have earnings tomorrow. As you can see on Webull, they are projected at 1023 here. So nothing really has been happening, right? Everyone's anticipating the earnings. As you can see, no move at all. It's just been, up, down in this range here. And usually when you have earnings coming up, usually you have a run up to earnings. Not this case, as we could look at the previous earnings and kind of see what happened in the past here. We had this move up to earnings, and then we dropped down. This other earnings, though, we had a move down, and then we went out massive. So anything's vary, but this is the first time we just seen really stagnant price. You either move up or down, and you could see constantly. But look at this. This is very quite interesting. Just a stagnant pattern here. So my projection, I just want to say straight up, this is not financial advice. Nobody can say exactly where they think it's going to go, but I would like it for it to go down so I can go long on it. If it goes up, then I don't like the trade. It'll be invalid. We do have a gap right in here, and I'll show you guys exactly why in the system and everything if you're new to this. So we do have this gap right here. For the people who believe in gaps will be filled, as you can see right here when we gapped, we came back up and filled that, and then we had this gap right in here and we filled it, right? They just take, you just never know the timing, and they don't have to fill. So it's nice to see Tesla has filled a lot of these gaps here, gap up, gap down. Um, right in here, actually, we have a gap that has yet to be filled. Actually, when I was looking back, oh no, never mind, my bad. Yeah. So what we're looking for is I wouldn't be surprised if this does go up and actually fills that gap, but I would love to buy this thing if it gets near this ATR4, because if you look at the last time we had earnings, this was a beautiful buy signal. Look at this. We went very close to ATR4. We had EMA 5 time distance. That means we hadn't had a price hitting this purple band, this EMA 5, and a very short-term gain. You can hit that, and that was a easy 7% gain. But look at this. In a very short amount of time, this thing moved up. It was up. It moved up about 43%, and it was just massive, right? It's just massive gains right in there. And this thing went all the way up to 271. And when we hit this upper band with time distance, you don't just short it right away. I did take massive puts on it. And this candle right here made me massive money. Let's look at this big dump of 8% and went to the EMA 10. So the one thing you're going to learn about this strategy with any price action, I diligently teach that the EMAs will be touched. The EMA 5, the 10, and the 20 are always your targets. You have the 5, the 10, and the 20, right? Those are your reversions to the means. They will hit. Now, the 20 is going to take longer than the 10, and the 10, and then the 5 will be your most immediate. As you can see here through this chop nest, we have a low from here to here, about a 4% gain from the lows. As you can see all throughout here, we eventually, actually, am I not mistaken? That is not an EMA 5 touch, which is really nice for my system. The high is at 222.28. Yeah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 daily candles. If we do drop down, I'd be looking to go long on Tesla. If we go up, then no, I do not want to get Tesla. But if we do drop down, I would be looking to go long on Tesla, as we will be due for this EMA 5. Like I said, anything that don't touch the EMA 5 in 7 daily candles is long. We haven't touched it in 8 daily candles, so I can't see this thing going too often long. But it really just depends on the earning. How far does it drop? I just don't see this thing dropping too far. That's just my opinion. I could easily see the earnings being good, and it just goes all the way up and fills this gap. That's my projection. But on the flip side, I would love for it to go down for my personal gain, and I would like to go long on it. So definitely watching Tesla, whatever outcome it is. I don't want to gamble, so I have to wait till after earnings and see after that. If you are a long-term investor, then sure, you probably have nothing to worry about. If we look at the weekly chart here, as you can see, the highs are all the way up at 400. We're at 217. right in here, as you can see, we got really close to this lower band on a weekly chart, and you can see that's where Tesla just exploded. If you ever use the weekly chart, it's more of a stronger candle than the daily. You can see why you would short Tesla there, because the ATR4, where does price go back to? It doesn't have to be in this time frame where it's very fast, but as you can see, you get little nice scalps and corrections doing this. But yeah, this is the weekly. It is right on the EMA 20, so it's not like extremely overextended like something like this. As you can see, time distance, we're just now on the EMA 20, so we're due for a big bounce up or down. I suspect it's going to be up, and then I'd be looking on the daily time frame for a short-term correction to the upside. All right, guys, this is my chart analysis. This is my how I do this strat with the bands. I have the EMAs. I use these lower ATR4 and upper ATR4, and it works really well. It has an over 90% win ratio. Definitely with bigger cap stocks. I've yet to lose on a bigger cap stock using this system. So it definitely is more encouraging showing you a bigger cap stock because it's nice. But if you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It will take you to this free chat landing page. If you just want to subscribe, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts, and it'll give you access to all my memberships, swing trading and day trading, for an all-time low cost of only $12 a month. And if you do it on your computer, it's a flat rate. If you do it on your phone, it'll charge you a little extra. But if you hit the server shop here, you can read about it. What I described was a swing trading strategy. It is very profitable. My most profitable is day trading because, as of me, I don't know about you, but I trade full time, so I need to be making money consistently in the market. So I love day trading. It's my most profitable, and I have a very unique approach that I think everyone can learn, and it's very nice. I think you guys are going to love it. But yeah, $12 a month, you get access to everything. I'm going to give you guys videos, and what's more important is really teaching you how to fish and how to trade. So you're going to get videos, you are going to get trade ideas and all that. Live streams is one of the most important because I will go live showing you guys exactly what I'm looking for and all that. And if you do join, I'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe if you have an Android. So you will have to do your computer or your phone's browser. But when you do that, then you can use your Android just fine. Avoid scammers. I'll never message you or DM you first, and then read the testimonies of how legit we are and how profitable. That's my Tesla analysis, guys. If we do drop, I'll be buying. If we go up, I'll just hold off. But I do like this EMA 5. I mean, just this EMA 5 is due for a hit. Just from this low to here, that's a 2%. So I need more margin to that. So if we go down to, like, let's just say we go down to this area, then that would be a nicer gain for me. So we'll see. And obviously, if you do options, you'll make more money. But this is not really like an A+ setup. I would love to see it near this ATR4. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is my analysis on Tesla. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Give a like, subscribe, comment, and catch you around.